Now the cool thing with our multicolor Zs is you can run your primary or secondary colors independently by using your dual memory. So for example here, I have a red blue amber Z8, and in power mode 1 I have a red blue flash pattern programmed, and then in power mode 2, using my brown cable, I have an amber flash pattern programmed, so I can easily swap between my two different colors there using my dual memory. Now you do have the ability to program your units in sync, like you see here, or in alternate sync. Now while you're in alternate sync, you'll have 9 patterns to choose from. So you'll have 3 speeds in multicolor, your primary color, and your secondary color. And to change patterns, you'll use your yellow flash pattern cables. So here is slow multicolor, and then medium, and then fast, and then your slow primary color, medium, and fast, and then your slow secondary color, medium, and fast. And your alternate sync and sync functionality will work with your dual memory. And for a full demonstration of how to program your units in sync and alternate sync, check out our how-to video located on the product page.